Your product is great and your quality is great. You have not compromised on quality and your price is also right. But why is nobody buying? Why is nobody buying? And this problem is not only yours. 90% SMEs like you are suffering with this problem. And the real problem is you don't know how to sell. And you know what? In today's times, they say, जो दिखता है वो बिकता है और जो ज़्यादा दिखता है वो ज़्यादा बिकता है. So in English, I'll say, whatever is seen will sell more. Whatever is seen more will sell more. So you should be omnipresent. Best known, best seen, and best talked about. Best known, best seen, and best talked about will be the best. So no matter your product is best, your price is best, but still some other product which is more visible, more talked about will sell more than you. You know, today's Apple phones sell for 1,50,000, which actually costs 30,000 rupees. So there are three things they are doing right: the marketing, the branding, and the perception. So if you are not able to sell, one of the problem is perception. So today we'll talk about 5 psychological problems which kill your sales. And also we'll talk about the solution. So, you know, selling is not about pushing your customers. So whenever you feel that selling is difficult, so think about you as a doctor. So when you go to a doctor and you tell him I have a stomach pain, that doctor takes you straight into operation theater and open your stomach, or he first diagnoses with ultrasound, do some tests, or maybe certain symptomatic treatment. But he diagnoses first, then gives you the medicines. But here in business, what happens is that most business owners, they are not diagnosing anything. They just straight away talk about the solution. That's the biggest mistake you are doing. When you talk about solution straight, so first you need to diagnose what is the problem. So one gentleman came to me for coaching long back, and he was into ERP. So he got a very, very good lead from Indonesia. His customer paid him to and fro airfare and a hotel stay. Guess what are the chances of that conversion? I think it's 100% when customer is paying you air ticket and the hotel, but he could not sell because he was only talking about the benefits of his ERP solution. Not once he tried to understand the customer's problem. So you got to understand what is the customer's problem. But still you don't offer the solution. You need to, after diagnosis, you need to ask if this problem is not solved, what is it causing? It's called implication. Consequences of not solving the problem. That makes customer realize that if this problem is not solved, what's the damage it causing to his business. So for example, he doesn't have a good ERP. Then his inventory is out of control. Maybe there's a lot of dead inventory he doesn't know. Or maybe his products or raw material is bought at higher prices than it's costing and he's losing money. So all these things you can plug and control with a good ERP. So when you make your customer realize that how much money or damage it's causing to his business if the problem is not solved, then the sales become easy. And at that time, you offer the solution and you'll see the magic happening. So remember always these 3 steps. One is diagnose, then the consequences, and the third is providing the solution. And finally, you all know call to action. Take the check, take the advance, or the payment, or order copy, whatever your call to action is. So why nobody is noticing your problem? So apply the AIDA principle, AIDA. Let me explain you what is AIDA principle. Because today, normal attention span is only less than 8 seconds. Now, how do you get your product noticed in less than 8 seconds? So A is for attention. That's the most precious thing in today's time to get from your customer, that attention. And that you can get from your headline hook. You know what hook is? For example, when I do any video ad, I say, is your company has become a revolving door where your employees are getting trained and taking up the job with your competitors? That's a very powerful hook. Or is business growing or you growing the loans? That's a powerful hook. So start with the such hooks where you are spotlighting the problem and the customer gives attention and then he is ready to read your balance email or watch your balance ad video if you are making ad videos or even your creative. The headline is so powerful hook that the person stays, wait and read your entire creative, and the description below it. Next is I. Take the interests of the customer. Show them the benefits, not the feature. Now, for example, this phone has got 8,000 mAh battery or 10,000 mAh battery. Doesn't make any sense. But the benefit is never run out of battery when you are traveling over there. Or you are having back-to-back meetings, never run out of battery. That's the benefit. So talk about benefits instead of the features. So that's the interest part of it, where your customer gets interested in your products. And then D, where I was telling you the consequences, the desire. Have some emotional trigger, because the desires, the more strong the desire is, the quicker the sales will happen, the quicker the payments will come, or the quicker the purchase order will come. And then last is call to action. Collect the order, take them to website, get the advance, whatever your call to action is. So this is AIDA principle, AIDA. Apply that in your business today. Now let's talk about ads. I'll give you an example. Our protein powder has got 20 gram proteins. Does it make any sense to you? Get the body you always dreamed of in last many years. Now, is this powerful, or protein powder has got 20 gram protein? Which is more powerful, which has got more emotions? So don't show your features, show the transformation. After buying your product or services, what is the transformation going to happen? Is the customer life is going to get better from today or tomorrow? Better than today? Make sure it does. And then social proof. How many Google reviews you have? Get Google reviews from your happy customers. They will not give it if you ask them later, but once your customer is happy, you deliver the product or service, or you have a restaurant or you have a hotel, they come to you. At the time of check-in, sir, your stay, how was your stay? How was the food? Very good. Sir, here's the QR code. Can you give a 5-star review, please? Ask at them. Or get the video testimonials. Put them on your website. Put them on your YouTube channel, Facebook, Instagram. Because social proof. People like to buy which is recommended and used by other people. And especially if it is used by their friends. That's Sone Pe Suhaga. So show your testimonials. Share your happy customers' feedback. Get LinkedIn recommendations or Google reviews. Because Google reviews has another benefit. You show up on the search. And especially in the local search, you show up on the top. And if it is optimized better, you got 5,000, 10,000 reviews. One of my mentee company from Bihar, they have TVS distributorship. Their 30% extra business comes to them. Customers prefer them instead of other dealers. And the most important thing is influencer marketing. Get hold of influencers. If they recommend your products, it can go through the roof. So when you're buying anything from Amazon, do you buy anything which has got less than 4-star rating? Or you order any food from Zomato, do you order anything which has got less than 4 rating? No, you will never do that. Higher the rating, higher the conversion, higher the customer interest and the confidence. And the one technique used by the sales professionals for hundreds of years is creating FOMO, scarcity. Amazon does that every time, $1 billion sale or big billion sale or freedom sale, 1-day sale, 2-day sales, or the limited quantity, or what you call it, limited edition. All the luxury brand do that. So if you have very limited quantity, limited seats, you will get oversold, you will get overbooked. So use FOMO as much as at the right place, right time, right product. Wherever you can use FOMO. And the research says scarcity-based sales pitches, the conversion rate is 332% higher. Yes, 332% higher. So whenever people see that this is available in limited quantity, they want it more. And then storytelling, use storytelling. One of my mentees, Suraj Bode from Goa Commercial Kitchen Manufacturer, he attempted suicide twice. But when he came into my coaching system and learned OKR, he did his entire turnover, year's turnover in 90 days. And today he's one of the investors in Tajurba, having offices in 6 cities and team of over 100 people. What a story it is. From a suicide to SME IPO. Next year he's coming up with SME IPO. So tell real stories like this. Bring them on stage or get their videos. That inspires people. That if this guy can do it, I can do it too. So now what you need to do. First thing, if you like the video, type in the comment box Sales Mastery. Number 2, In the description, there is a video course, Sales Mastery. I'm offering only to first 100 people at a very, very discounted price. So grab this offer today. And this is one of the best sales course which I sell to corporates for more than 5 lakh rupees. It's a full day live workshop, but I'm giving this to you in the video format at a very, very discounted price. So right now, click below for the first 100 people. This price is valid only for first 100 people. And take your sales to the next level. And I'll see you more business videos which are very, very high value videos. In my next video, we'll talk about how do you get those pipeline of quality leads. Cheers.